artist I'm going to introduce is Naum Gabo, and I'm going to go over 3 parts of his background, his work, and his manifesto, followed by a collage I made with Cubism after I studied his artist. Naum Gabo was a Russian-born artist and a key figure in the constructivist movement. He had a background in engineering, which influenced his art, making it very focused on structure and science. According to the Tate Museum's description of Hand No. 2, we learn how Gabo used new ways of integrating geometry and space into his sculpture, from Tate's Hand No. 2 by Naum Gabo. Hand No. 2, created in 1916, is one of Gabo's signature works. In his book, Naum Gabo, Constructing the Constructives, Christine Lauder explained that the piece is built not from solid mass but from lines and transparent materials, creating an open, geometric structure instead of a traditional sculpture. From Lauder, Naum Gabo, Constructing the Constructed. This sculpture allows Wheeler to see through it from different angles, breaking away from the reliance on mass and volume in traditional sculpture. In Art in Theory 1900 to 2000, Gabo and Passner Realistic Manifesto further explains this idea, stating that sculpture shouldn't just replicate reality but should express the essence of space and time. This is exactly what Gabo is aiming for with Hand No. 2, from Gabo, Passner, The Realistic Manifesto. In their 1920 Realistic Manifesto, Gabo and Passner argued that sculpture should break free from merely imitating nature and instead focus on representing the modern perception of space and time. This idea is explored further in George Ricky's book, Constructivism, Origin and Evolution, where Ricky discussed how Gabo's sculpture language moved away from traditional volume and instead highlighted dynamic structural space. From Ricky, Constructivism, Origins and Evolution. In conclusion, through Hand No. 2 and the Realistic Manifesto, Gabo redefined sculpture, bringing in line, structure, and transparency to create modern, future-facing works in art. His ideas draw from his understanding of science and geometry, opened up new possibilities from art. From Lauder, Naum Gabo, and the constructivist aesthetic,